Kinley's kitchen. We're making chicken noodle soup. We're gonna give it to Grandma and Grandpa. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, go! It's cut up.
All right, next thing we need to do is cut some parsley.
Yeah! It's cut up.
All right, we'll save that and put it aside.
So now we are gonna pour the olive oil in the big pot. Okay, now we have to let the olive oil heat up. I don't know how that oil is gonna do it. You have to add carrots and celery. Let's put this in. Good. Put this all of it. There you go. I love garlic a lot. We're gonna add that to the pot. Yep. Now we have to stir it. They're heavy. Okay, let's add it. Beans because it's hot, super hot. There we go. Big bucket. So guys, it looks like goop if you want to see. So now we have to go back. Now what? Now we added 2 bay leaves in. Where do you get these? I have a teaspoon of thyme. Now let's put it in the pot. Now we have to do oregano in the pot. Now we put pepper in the pot. Now we're gonna stir and bring to a boil. Mix.
Looks pretty good.
I actually want to eat it right now, but it's not finished yet. I think it's coming to a boil. If you can see it smoke. We're gonna add the egg noodles. Egg noodles? Now we have to stir. Let it boil for 10 minutes. 10! So I will see you guys later. Yay! Now we're gonna add chicken. Now we're gonna add the parsley. A little bit of lemon juice. Very good, and it's sloppy. Oh, good. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe down below. Bye.